Jackie. What should we pack for vacation?
This is going to be our first long trip, Marina. I think we should make a list.
Yes, you're right. Right after making list we'll start packing.
Sure, Marina.
For my dresses, of course. I don't want them to get wrinkles in them. I have a bag for shoes, belts, handbags, and other accessories. 2 suitcases for clothes, swimsuits and socks. And a carry-on for my makeup and toiletries.
What do you need all that for?
I'm preparing for all contingencies. You never know what situation you'll be in when you travel, and I want to be equipped with anything I'll need.
I should have expected this when I married a clothes horse. I'm surprised you didn't bring your entire wardrobe.
I was thinking about it. I'm sure I can make room. All of my bags are expandable.
Okay.
Should we wear our heaviest clothing instead of packing it? What you say?
That's a good idea. But my advice to you to take half the clothes and twice the money.
Okay, I'll try to cut to my list.
Well, now that sounds better.